Most people celebrate Christmas, but don't know why. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about Christmas. Most people celebrate Christmas every year. They decorate their homes, they buy gifts, they spend time with family. But here's a question. Why do we celebrate Christmas? Not why it is fun, not why it is popular, but why this holiday exists at all. Most people don't know the real reason. In this video, I will tell you the true story of Christmas in simple English. Stay until the end, because the meaning of Christmas may surprise you. What Christmas looks like today. Today, Christmas looks very bright. We see Christmas trees everywhere. We hear music in stores. We see lights on houses. We see Santa Claus in movies and ads. For children, Christmas means gifts. For adults, it often means family and food. For businesses, it means sales. Christmas today feels warm and magical. But here's something very important. None of these things existed at the first Christmas. No Christmas trees, no gifts, no lights, no Santa Claus. So how did all of this begin? Was Christmas always celebrated? Here is a fact that surprises many people. The first Christians did not celebrate Christmas. They did not celebrate birthdays. They did not know the exact date. They did not focus on celebrations. Life was difficult. People were focused on survival. So for many years, Christmas was not a holiday. But people did celebrate something else. They celebrated the seasons. They celebrated the sun. They celebrated light and darkness, especially in winter. Why winter was so important. Winter was the hardest time of the year. Days were short, nights were long. Food was limited. Cold was dangerous. Many people were afraid of winter, so different cultures had winter festivals. They celebrated light, hope, the return of the sun. People wanted to believe that darkness would end. This idea is very important for understanding Christmas. Why December 25? Many people ask, why is Christmas on December 25? The honest answer is, we do not know the exact birthday. But December 25th was chosen for a reason. It was close to the winter solstice, the darkest time of the year. After this day, the light slowly returns. Early Christians used this symbol. They wanted to say, light has come into the world. This was not about science. It was about meaning. How Christmas became a holiday. Over time, Christmas began to change. Churches started remembering the birth story. Leaders supported the celebration. Traditions slowly formed. Later, Christmas trees came from Europe. Gift-giving became a tradition. Santa Claus appeared much later. Christmas became bigger, brighter, more cultural, but the original story stayed the same. The first Christmas story. Now, let's go back to the beginning. No lights, no music, no celebration. A small town, a quiet night. A baby is born. Not in a palace, not in a rich home, but in a simple place. There was no power, no gold, no crown, only hope. This baby was Jesus Christ. For millions of people, Christmas exists because of his birth. The first Christmas story. Now, let's go back to the beginning. No lights, no music, no celebration. A small town, a quiet night. A baby is born. Not in a palace, not in a rich home, but in a simple place. There was no power, no gold, no crown, only hope. This baby was Jesus Christ. For millions of people, Christmas exists because of his birth. What Christmas really means. Christmas is not about perfection. It is not about expensive gifts. It is not about decorations. Christmas is about love, hope, light in darkness. It is the idea that something good can be born even in difficult times. That message is why Christmas survived centuries. Why people still celebrate. Even people who are not religious feel something special. They feel warmth. They feel kindness. They feel peace. Because Christmas speaks to something human. The need for hope. The need for light. The need for meaning. Ending. Finish. Now you know why people celebrate Christmas. Not just what we do, but why we do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy learning English through real stories, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas.